Okay, so everything has been running pretty nicely following Bitcoin's massive, massive move in like a 2 to 3 minute span yesterday, but none bigger than Mina Protocol, guys. We're going to waste no time. We've got to talk about this because anytime a top 100 altcoin is up 123% within a 24-hour period, we've got to address it. So Mina has been one that we've talked about in the past, not a ton. A lot of my listeners from back in 2021 that I'm sure are still with me, haven't heard from them yet. They love Mina Protocol. I've got to jump in my Discord. I'm sure there's one guy in particular I can remember that loved Mina Protocol. This thing is absolutely surging. So what is behind the Mina Protocol big run up here? We're going to talk about that quickly in this video. By the way, guys, we're going to have a ton of content here today, just a ton going on in the crypto space. So make sure you guys are locked in. I'm going to have a ton of videos for you out today, both on this channel and obviously on my other channels that I've started as well. If you guys are unaware, I've got now a Grow with Zach channel, which is kind of an entrepreneur channel. These are all right on the homepage of my YouTube channel that you're watching right now. Grow with Zach's got over 1.1K subs. We're posting over there. Stocks with Zach, no videos yet, but a video coming out this week, probably a couple of them. And then I've got a travel channel too, which I'll be posting to all of these every single week. Make sure you guys come on over, subscribe to every single one of these channels. I'm really excited about that, but it's all crypto right now, and Mina Protocol closing in on $1. So check out these gains: 124% in the last day, 148% in the last 7 days, 144% in the last month. In the last year, 75%. Look at that. Huge, huge surge. The all-time high, though, for Mina, way up there, near $10 when they launched back in 2021. So Mina Protocol, what is it? What's behind this crazy, crazy surge? Check this out. They put this video out. They couldn't even keep up with the gains. Mina prints 88% growth. No, we are up now 122%. Crazy, crazy. Now, what's going on? What's behind this? Well, Mina Protocol is branded as the world's lightest blockchain network. It's leading the altcoin resurgence today following its mega rally in the past 24 hours. Altcoins finally starting to pick up a little bit. We are seeing alts start to follow Bitcoin a little bit. We've got Pepe up 31%, guys. Massive. Arweave up 12%. Rocket Pool 17%. Injective has been on an unbelievable tear as well. Up 28% in the last 24, 60% in the last week. Conflux, same thing. ApeCoin, nice little surge, 12+%. Filecoin, 12+%. Decentraland, 12%. Even Ethereum and Gala Games up 9%. So a lot of things happening. But with Mina, the resurgence, it says here, is basically ignited for a couple reasons. Obviously, Bitcoin's influence, but then Mina has outpaced major altcoins, and I mean significantly outpaced significant big altcoins. Now, it's designed to curtail computational requirements in order to run dApps more efficiently. We know the future of dApps, decentralized applications. DeFi is going to be big in the future. Since its launch, it has grown a very robust ecosystem. The community's massive as well. Mina has recorded an impressive embrace over recent years, and while it remains a mid-cap altcoin, it's considered one of the digital currencies whose tech stack is vital for the evolution of the future of crypto. So maybe this is why we're seeing a lot of money start to roll into Mina, and it's just a lot bigger than just what they're doing. Obviously, they're doing some ZK roll-up work, which there's a lot of hype behind the ZK roll-ups. Of course, Polygon is working in that area as well. Mina has been facing an impressive embrace from different market participants, especially exchanges. Reported back in July, the trading pair was listed on Upbit Mina BTC, saying its price up 17%. So there's just a lot of places to get Mina. There's nothing in particular that we can put our finger on, but in terms of the altcoins in general, right? In terms of the altcoins in general, are we fully back with an altcoin run here? We're going to watch Bitcoin because everything is tied to Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin at 34,600. Look at this chart. This is the 1 hour view here on Bitcoin. That looks like a little bit of a bull flag painting right now on the Bitcoin chart. Unbelievable to watch. Of course, we slowly came down after we topped to 35,000. We watched it slowly come down to about 33,000 and some change. But now recently in the last wee hours of the morning here, the last 4, 5, 6 hours, we are painting some green candles again, slowly ticking back up. And this is going to be certainly something to watch as we play this out. For Bitcoin in general, what kind of levels are we looking at? Let's go back out into the 1 day here. And Bitcoin, which flew past 31,800, that was the crucial level, getting above this level, which, again, we hit once in September, once in July, a couple different times in July, and got rejected twice. This third time, though, blew right past it. We are eyeing now 40,000. This next stop could be up here at 40K, guys. That is where I think we can get to without some major resistance. Once we get into this 40K range, I think it would be great to see some consolidation. And if we get up there and we start to see some sideways action, I think altcoins will continue to recover, right? Everything is on the heels of Bitcoin right now in the Bitcoin ETFs. Everything. Altcoins are going to follow. Sure, you're going to have some outliers like Amina going crazy, like some of these more volatile cryptos like Pepe going crazy, right? And you'll love to see it. But everything is being held up by Bitcoin. There's now liquidity back in the markets. We went to a $1.27 trillion market cap in a hurry. Crypto's up 9%. Volume's up 127%. The actual market cap up 9%. But Bitcoin's dominance, 53% right now as it continues to lead the charge. So that's what we're going to be watching. In terms of some of the other altcoins that I'm looking at, some of the ones that were moving beforehand here, Cardano finally moving up a little bit. I'm watching Cardano to maybe try to make a run at that earlier high that it had this year. We've got some room to run here with Cardano. We're finally breaking out of some patterns here. We could go ahead and up there and test 45 cents eventually here if we continue this rally. We were up there earlier this year. I know it feels like forever ago, but yes, that's back in April. That's one of course, I'm watching very, very closely. Very, very interested in where Cardano could go. In addition to that, I'm also looking H-bar, of course. H-bar has not moved significantly yet. So if this rally were to continue, I'm looking at H-bar. Remember, this thing was way up here back in February, almost at 10 cents. So we could have a little bit more room to run there with H-bar. I like Stellar, XLM, XRP right now up at 55 cents. I do think we can have some more resurgence there. Solana has been just printing gains, looking really, really strong. The price target there for Solana for me, 37 cents, getting back up to where we were basically pre-issues that we had with FTX. And I think we can close that gap and maybe even get up there to about 37 cents, $37 without feeling some significant resistance if Bitcoin continues to show strength here. And man, it's just a great day to be in crypto. Great week, great start. No matter what, we needed a shot in the arm here, and we got it with Bitcoin exploding. This is what makes crypto so amazing too, because everything can be doom and gloom for a really long time, and then all of a sudden, boom, you get a spark, you get a major rally. As quickly as things can go down in crypto, they can go up, and you got a ton of liquidity. We went from here on the Fear and Greed Index, look at this. This is it right here above me. We went skyrocketing into the 67 range out of nowhere yesterday. Absolutely love it. I do think we could have a little bit more of a pullback or at least some sideways action, but who knows? I mean, it's all going to hinge on Bitcoin's growth here. And a lot of people still saying Bitcoin has some room to run here as well, as long as we hold up on top of these levels. And it looks really, really strong right now in the one-day outlook. Bitcoin leading the charge, the granddaddy of them all, pulling up altcoins as well. We'll be keeping tabs on it all day long. Make sure you guys are locked into this channel. And again, come on over. Follow us over on Grow with Zach if you're interested in entrepreneurship. Stocks with Zach. We're going to be posting some stock content like we do with crypto, my favorite stocks, how I'm playing the stock market right now. And if you're interested in just getting away from the markets a little bit, getting away from entrepreneurship and business, check out all my travels. I've got a ton of stuff from Amsterdam I'm going to be posting as well. So come on over, subscribe to these channels, subscribe to this channel right here as well, and we'll see you in the next video.